morning, everybody. This is Davey from the New Trader. This is Marie. And yeah, let's see what this market had to offer today. Market beautifully pushing higher and higher based in whatever news came out yesterday, real or fake, we don't know. But this market is looking strong, looking reversal. So is that going to be legit? Well, let's see what they have to offer. So, Marie, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great. We had some snow here, believe it or not. We've got about 10 centimeters of snow, more to come, still snowing. It's incredible. It's beautiful, it's white, but it's not gonna stay. So
It's white on April. Thank you. Thank you to whoever that put that thing there.
I love your gratitude this morning.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, you're funny.
And the worst is like you have people like Marie that keep mentioning because my brain like we came down to my brain blocked the snow, like I mean it didn't exist anymore, but now I'm remembering it again. So it's like damn it. Yeah,
Oh, that's funny.
whatever. So yeah, you're doing good, right? You're doing good. Yeah, good. Well, I'm doing good too. It's okay. So yeah,
Yesterday. What a day.
yeah, like
Everything crashed, but we did very, very well on that fake news.
Yeah, we did good as trade. Like I came to trade a little bit later, and even like that, I did very well. But I want to say I'm sorry and I apologize for yesterday's streaming because like we kind of canceled it and we couldn't come back. And hey, lesson learned. Like I mean, as the other day I had like it's the second time I had to interrupt the streaming for technical problem and like but let's say like yesterday I found out that it doesn't matter. I could keep the streaming going on and the problem was not my computer. The problem was literally the platform and like it was not specifically the platform. Like I mean it was not just my platform. Like apparently everybody across the board has like a problem with the feed from the market. I mean, so that problem was kind of out of their hands, I would say, at some point. But I know that there are people that didn't have that problem, so and like that's what I kind of would like to aim for at some point. But for now, yeah, let's take it easy and see what we find. Like I mean, as I say, SPY is pumping higher. You see, we have the same problem here. You see the price here, and no charts in the price. So. I have reset this chart so many times. Like I see that when I go in a bigger time frame, it does work better. But if I go in
I
the
have
1
it
minute,
I've got a chart in 2 minutes. Easy.
and it's working good.
Very nice.
Perfect. So I just gonna keep it in a bigger time frame. Instead of going to the 1, I'm gonna go to the 2.
Yeah, at 2 it works well. I don't know in the 1.
But yeah, there is some issues yet with that. So yeah, the VIX dropped considerably. Like I mean, we were trading at 55, 50 something yesterday, and today the VIX is 40.55. I consider it still too high. Like
Very
normally
high.
it will drop a little bit faster than that, but today is not the case. The VIX is still high. So let's see what we want to do. I mean, like there is not anything new in the list, if I'm not mistaken. We have a list here. We have NVIDIA, Ford, Tesla, PLTR, INTC, BAC, SoFi, NU. Yeah, nothing new pretty much.
No.
Yeah, so that means I have all of them in my list, and as I trade by volume, so like basically NVIDIA will be the first. But I think we can take a quick look at SPY, if you don't mind, Marie. Yeah, we listen to you.
Okay, so okay. So SPY is actually
Flying.
yeah, it is. It is
522.88. 522.88. So I just gonna mark that because
Is that huge or what?
it's big, but it's not huge.
Well, it's
the biggest.
Correct. So at 522.88, and then we've got a stack on the reverse in INET at 522.88. So that is definitely something to look at. I like it to see what's going to happen there, right? So at 522.88, right there. And funny enough, it's a pre-market this morning. That's what the pop was at 522.88. Is that a reversal? It could definitely be. It's pretty significant. We're talking three with the stack on the reverse. It's over 400. So
515.00 also have something interesting.
515.00. Let me look at that.
I'm just
one.
scoping then while I go, like I hear, but I am
Yeah.
looking at the tape.
I don't have it. It must be
it
on
has.
ARCA.
Yeah, it's ARCA. It's 108.
Okay, no, 515.00.
Yeah, I have 108. It's still there. It's solid. So
515.
yeah, 515.00 has 108 lot.
0.
Yeah, 00.
I've got nothing. So
Okay, and the 522.88, which is still
That I
solid
got.
there.
with the so I'm gonna put 515.00 because you called that out. But I got nothing. And what does that represent? 515.00.
Something I was telling Marie yesterday, not yesterday, this morning, is like let's say the market move a lot, and what it move a lot in, like fake news. So if it's useful for anybody, like I mean, we know the market could rally up like very good, but watch out in case like because it wasn't a fake news, like maybe it's a fake move, but the money is staying there, and like sometimes there are limitations where the volume that came in doesn't have the time to come out, and like that could happen, especially like when you don't want to be like disrupted toward the market. So but yeah, watch out for that. Yeah.
Good call
Did
out.
you find any other?
Nope.
No. Okay, patron. So
What I do want to call out though,
Mhm.
and I think it's significant to what you just said. So when we're looking at SPY at the like you called the 522.88, and we're looking at TQQ that's got a big amount at 46, and then we're looking, this is correlation based, at NVIDIA where it's got a big amount at 104, and 104, it could go to 105. It seems to be in all tapes like a top. There's not a whole lot that goes past that. So I just wanted to call
103.20
it out.
have a triple stack in there. Just watch out for that.
So
Double stacking. Sorry, my bad.
exactly, yeah, 21 and 23.
Yeah.
So it seems to all seem to be correlated. Definitely SPY's got some strength. We've got a strong RSI, but it could at the 522, as Davey says, reverse there, if it's possible, or it can continue. Right? We didn't see any new news, but it looks interesting there at that top.
Perfecto, amigo. Perfecto. So I'm trying to find something toward the downside. I know 102 has just 80 lot on NVDA. So like I know we did SPY, so I'm assuming that we are doing NVDA.
Absolutely good assumption.
Like you're doing your thing so subtle lately that you
I'm
are.
sorry, I need
like,
to be
it's,
a little bit
I am
more
not following
direct.
with you, so.
Okay, I'm gonna be more direct. So let's go to NVIDIA. So NVIDIA is we're really looking at the 102. It's 120, so it's definitely a lot less than that 104. But then we've got 101. That's 128, and 100 is quite significant. 100, we're looking at 429. 99, 182, 98, 300. So we could be looking at a pullback, and it could be significant, right? It could definitely pull back when we're looking at NVIDIA to the PCL, and the PCL right now is very close. So the PCL is 97.64. So it's definitely heavier at the moment 105 is building. So it could be at 105, the reversal, not sure. 105 on NVIDIA, we've got 625 at this moment that I've got. Maybe Davey's got more on his tape because he's got more complete tape. But 105 and
how much you have?
so 105, I have 600 and well, what I looked at it was 600. Now it's 630 and still building.
Yeah, exactly the same here.
Okay. And 105 is pretty much there. The last one I would like to take a little peekaboo at it would be PLTR.
A little bit peekaboo. You're funny.
A little peekaboo.
Are you funny today?
Peekaboo, PLTR 84. So we've got a strong enough position. I'm going to bring that down because, yeah, it'll be easier. I'm a little tired today, so I'm a little lazy.
85.
So 84, 84, the closest one, at 84, we only have 40, but like Davey says, at 85, we have over 160. So 85 yesterday was definitely a resistance at 85 at one point. So is it going to be a resistance today again? Very high RSI on PLTR as well. So what do you have as comment?
No, like the PLTR looking exactly as you say there. But look at that trend. It's like look at that freaking trend from
strong.
7 a.m. It's just flying. I mean, like, is this sustainable? Oof, I would like to believe that the answer to that is a yes, but you know, like, I mean, I don't like it. That would be a loan that I kind of wouldn't be willing to join, especially if we go in a higher time frame. Like that 85 is a heavy one, you know. 8505, 8506 is a heavy one. So am I like going contrarian on this? Probably I can try that, but
I would have to see a big difference on the tape for me to go long.
The tape, because the tape is a little bit sketchy. But
I would like to see like big positions close together for me to jump in along on that one.
Yeah, it's as I say, like that one I'm gonna let it do whatever it wants to do, and like I'm gonna take my time. I have to slow down, like not slow down. Everything is okay. It's just like I want to take less trades, so
Makes sense.
I'm gonna try to not shoot too much at the open. So including PLTR. I mean, like
makes sense.
But yeah, so but like the trend, the volume, everything so beautiful on PLTR that it's like
you just want to.
Yeah, you want to jump
you say,
on.
oh my God, you almost have the FOMO saying, I gotta jump in with everybody. Yeah. But no.
Yeah, in reality,
let's not get fooled.
Yeah, exactly. You wanna really wait for it to manifest its real intentions. So
yeah, and we just had a position show up, a buyer at 82.50. That's 250 and building. So 82.50. I'll just put that there.
So something I'm gonna be looking at.
I am gonna have to go up.
Is a SPY? It's okay. So
no, go at SPY first.
Yeah. So no. Basically, what I'm saying, like, I'm gonna be taking more a look at SPY at the open, and the rest, is there is no rush for me. There is no rush at the open. I'm gonna maybe give the 3 shots I normally give, like 3 trades at the open, and then stay quiet or unless something is very clear, you know, because sometimes like the tape get very obvious at the open, but it's not the case right now. So you need a break?
I just need to go get my phone.
Yeah, for sure. So we're gonna take a little break. I'll be back. All right, we are back. So yeah, let's see. Like
Already pulling back, right? So, and the market's open.
Hijo de tu mamá.
Big position at 83 now on PLTR. SPY is definitely moving around there. That's a big candle. Wow.
Okay, I jump in PLTR
For long?
for shorts.
Okay.
As I say, that I think it's gonna be a big trade or anything. It's just has good work.
Okay. I'm gonna wait a little
Shot
bit
one,
there.
so that was shot one. Got me out.
Because there's a big position at 85, and we still have SPY that's not pulling back, though the volume there is beautiful.
Like to be honest, I wanted to put my order at very specific price, and this, yeah, look at that, just working right away. Let's see if I can get it at the price I wanted. It's just like I don't know why is my level 2 changing like that. Okay, there we go. I just reshorted at a better price, but as I say, let's see. It's not that I think it's gonna work.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I took
Okay, I
a
gotta
shot
wait
one,
now.
and 85 is quite significant. So I am gonna wait.
So SPY is opening greenish, and
Now we've got a double shield. We've got, if I see that correctly, because it's moving quickly, we've got 84.95. That seems to be somebody front running the 85. So 85, it's almost shaky. Okay, so 85, it's almost 800 in sellers.
yeah. So I'm gonna try to do one more shot. Yeah, order is in. If he get me, get me. If he doesn't get me, it's okay. Yeah, there we go, lagging. Look at the slow motion move. I have one more shot for it to work. If it doesn't work,
So SPY's pulling back now.
okay. Stop loss right there. It's even a smaller tree. Okay, got me out. That's okay. So that was the 3 shots at the open. So now I just got take it easy.
I went in at 85 now. We'll see. That's my second shot.
Yeah, like that trade should work.
Breaking even.
Giving another shot at 85. 05, let's see. Because what? It shouldn't keep going, but is he gonna get me? Probably.
Okay, so now that tape has flipped. Could
Yeah.
be going to 86.
Let's see. But that's what I mean in theory. SPY's kind of trying to go down right now. And yeah, I gave it a little bit more room. Like I know it's looking strong, but it's not like gap and go. It's it's not a bad price, to be honest. I mean, like that trade has a high chance of working. Oui, allô?
Hello.
Bonjour, ça va?
Hello.
Bien, et vous?
Oh,
Yeah.
très bien ici. It's okay. I'm sorry. How?
Très bien.
Good.
And you, Zach?
Really good.
I like it. I like it.
I'm here a bit late because I won't trade the open.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Cool. I have an order to take some partials. Let's see. Probably I let it go already, but my charts are not looking good. I mean, what are you gonna do with that? Behind the other side.
So SPY has pulled back.
Ooh la la.
There's definitely a fight.
Yeah, that partial is gonna come in right now. About now, it's a good partial. It's a good partial. Give me the partial to me.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money.
Partial. Why you didn't partial there? Yeah, it's not printed there. Partial. Yeah, like I mean, I made a comment before the market opened that have very low relevance, but it's something that we want to keep in the back of our head just in case. And it's that the push yesterday was in a fake news. Like I mean, all that happened in a fake news, so we have to watch out because we don't know if the push is gonna be like if the push that we put yesterday is gonna be held for longer. I don't think it's gonna be able to, or not able. Like I don't think the intentions of being all out is there for today. But if they start pulling out, it's not gonna be pretty. So okay, there we go. David ring the bell too.
Nice.
Here comes the money. Money.
So, do you guys think they will be able to negotiate
You talking about tariff with China?
tariff?
I don't think they will be able to negotiate because they are not really talking, I would say. But at least not right now. I think, yeah, it sounds like a joke, but like I think they are wrestling, but like China, I don't think is feeling that pain at all right now. So I mean, Yeah, it's yeah, like because what happened is what did Trump did to the tariff retaliation? He's still saying no, or you get it, or you get that off, or I'm gonna give you another 50%, and they're gonna say, big deal for you to do another 50%. You are the one that is killing yourself. So like I mean, like yeah,
Because there was news today that they were gonna talk. That's why it's green, I think.
well, yesterday there was a fake news. I don't know if you saw that,
Yeah, the peak.
but like, but the
But
problem.
today it's true.
What was that?
Today the news is on Yahoo Finance.
On what?
On Yahoo Finance.
Okay, the fake news was on Yahoo Finance yesterday.
Okay. But they say tariff negotiation push take shape. China vowed to fight to the end.
Yeah, it's like
China vows to fight to the end.
I don't know if it's good.
That's not good.
China is in a better position to fight those things, and that's what people I think need to understand. Like Donald Trump is not in a strong position for the discussion he's having. That's not at all. Like I mean, yeah, we cannot say those things. Like when they get you by there, they get you. And
Yeah,
like,
it's like how do we call that? What he did to Ukraine. You don't have the cards, buddy.
yeah.
No cards.
China can literally say the same to me.
You don't have the cards, buddy.
Yeah, so yeah, I know it could be misunderstood because that's why he's saying that tariff are gonna make it the strongest and blah blah blah. But like, if you know how tariff work, yeah, he shoot his own feet, and like that's why I say, like China is gonna negotiate, and like, do you think that the president, like not the president, whoever, like, is, yeah, it's the president of China, but yeah. Like, do you think that he's playing? Oh, today you have it, tomorrow you don't have it. Today you have it. I don't think it's that game. You know, like, yeah. I don't know if I am trying to be, like, I don't know if I'm being precise in what I'm saying.
Mm-hmm.
But
Well,
it's-
you're
it's
being
like,
as precise as Mr. T could be.
it's like,
So,
like you can be making jokes and taking your job as a joke, but it doesn't mean that people around you are taking it as a joke. You know, like you can be clownly playing something and like it doesn't mean that your surrounding think it's funny and they will do the same.
absolutely. So I'm going to add right about here.
I was planning to add there, but I would like you see the tape, like 84, 84, 80 is the point to add. Apparently 84, 80. I'm gonna see if I can add that 84, 80. Actually, I'm gonna add that 84, 80 actually. Thank you for the call out. Hello, hello. You saw the size at 8480?
Mm-hmm.
But man, like my charts look like crap. I mean, like I really don't know what's going on here.
Okay, so SPY's pushing.
Okay, now I have the order to add. Meet me at the other side. Meet me at... I have an order to add around here. Right there, actually. There.
Not sure if it's got the momentum to get there, but
Yeah, like, yeah. Maybe you won't, but I'm just trying to be a little bit disciplined with those because I am seeing the sizes. So, like, yeah, 40 is running ahead. And let's be aware that this is still holding the pre-market trend toward the upside, so which is a good sign. But basically, the point we are shorting is this 85 here, which is the kind of the top of the previous range. So technically, our short at the 85 is okay. Of course, it doesn't mean it's gonna work. Yeah, let's see. Okay, that was a 45-minute. Spy, come on, Spy, what are you doing? Okay, it got a little bit chopped up when he got there, but I added manually. I think it's looking very choppy. I know it has a big candle there. I shouldn't move it, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Have you seen the JP Morgan recession risk?
Yeah, 60.
I didn't see it, but I think one of you two mentioned it. I think it was
Me yesterday.
you yesterday, yeah.
60%.
Yep. That's huge, right?
Mm-hmm.
Who's that there?
Excuse you.
Okay, so 85 is still there. First buy, are you still there? Oh no, are you still there? Yeah, 522. 522.88 still there for SPY. NVIDIA, it is going to be the 105. Okay, the position at 105 on NVIDIA is 3,000.
3,000.
Yep,
Sabroso.
that's a big Sabado Songo.
I add heavy air
PLTR
here.
85 is huge.
In here, I am sacrificing some of the profit from yesterday, and because I really add there. I mean, I add, yeah, I add. It's yeah, we're gonna see how this is gonna manage. I think it's a high probability trade, but that I consciously put that risk on. So
Okay.
there we go.
The 105 seems to be acting on NVIDIA. We've got a triple top at the 87, 85. So the 105 is almost a repel.
When they're having the coolest thing I have ever done, I think.
What?
Like but yeah, let's see. Like I mean, I have to manage the tree, but better. But like yeah, like and we see this. It's just I am not good at it, and that's why I have to manage it better. Like yeah, when you have a higher probability trade that you choose to put risk on it, you have to have some profit, and like that's why I say I know I am sacrificing some of the profit from yesterday here, but I say hey, I can do that. So I think this is a bigger trade temporarily for me. Like I mean, yeah, but it have to manifest, and yeah. it's I say it's the coolest thing because it's literally double of whatever I wanted to have in there. So and yeah, you can be very wrong with that. And but if you're right,
Cha-ching.
the thing. But as I say, in that trade, I might be sacrificing about 25% of the profit from yesterday. So let's see. But it need to puke that like it have to really break through, and that's what is not
Interacting.
happening right
Well,
now.
right now it's interacting with the VWAP. So pierce it through and go
Go.
to. Let's go. But it didn't.
So because I'm a little bit cheeky, I'm gonna be breaking even.
Me too. Look at that. That's a big. So we're gonna see at 83.50 what it's going to do. It's very close to the VWAP at 83.50. There's a huge.
Go down, my
position.
guy. Go down, not up, down. 83.50 is waiting for you right there. Next stop, 83.50. And like the guy is like 190, 129. And it's very dynamic. So SPY is hammering the VWAP. Good time. I mean big time I would say. So SPY. My main chart is so squeezed that I cannot even see. So that's why I'm kind of looking at the chart we are sharing. PLTR. Come on, my guy. Come on. Yeah. No. Meet me on the other side.
SPY pushing back up.
Like, hello. Hopefully we can have good trade. Let's see, Larry. Let's see. I win my way. The lions sleep tonight. Hey, SPY is doing a push up. No. Are you really gonna let it go? We on my way. Zach, what are you looking at to trade PL there too?
Yep. Every day. Yes, yeah.
Understood. So I say this guy might get me out, but it's okay. I prefer to break even because I have a size that is uncomfortable for my plan.
How's your chart on SPY doing?
Very bad.
You
Very
do, eh?
squeezed. Yeah, like all my charts are so squeezed. I think it's because of
Volatility.
the afternoon range. like in that trade that I have on PLTR, normally I wouldn't be breaking even because like you have time to test both eyes, and it's so funny the way it's doing it that trade is the one that have the high chance of getting me out and then working, but I prefer to not take any risk.
Wow, that was blue.
Yeah.
Full on blue.
A SPY interacting with the opening opening range top. Very close to be there.
Very.
Very nice candle toward the
We
upside.
still had the position. We've got a huge position actually now at 522. Would it be there?
What price?
522. Almost 400.
Oh, I had that one mark. Now it's 400. Wow. When I mark it,
It was 100 and
200 something, but
Okay.
it was not 400.
RSI dropping and PLTR a lot.
Below 50? It's not below 50 yet.
Wow. It's almost like everything is paused.
Come on, my guys. Like, you didn't spend all your money yesterday in that fake news? Or yes? Yeah, man. We did spend all our trillions. We did spend it in our push yesterday. Trappy, trappy. Lions sleep tonight.
522 printing on SPY.
Okay, guys, I'm in the trading now.
Okay, patrón.
Get 'em?
Wow, wow. I was going
¿Qué
to
okay?
talk.
¿Qué okay?
I was going to talk in Spanish to you now. It's like, oof. So,
You know, my girlfriend is taking a Spanish class.
Oh!
so you are teaching her the good things?
Yeah, all the good words to say.
Nice. Like it, like it.
But maybe I'll take that too. Should be funny.
Nice. So I was going to ask you, like, why did you take a trade on PLTR or not yet?
Oh yeah, it's just I can take it.
Nice.
I am shutting down just because I don't see anything on SPY right now.
SPY is interacting with the 82.
Yeah, I cannot,
522.90.
like my chart is so off right now that, yeah.
SPY is trying to fly.
So I'm going to...
My charts are very off too. Like,
Yeah.
I mean, I'm just guiding myself by the tape and
Yeah.
by this little thing here. But I think, yeah, there we go. This is gonna get me out. Are you really gonna get me out? Oh yeah. No, I'm gonna hold my risk on. Why I'm gonna do that? Because this PLTR is trying, but it's lagging of momentum there.
realize I logged my computer in until it shuts off.
The mighty jungle. Yeah, I'm thinking that PLTR, yeah, like I know you're trading above there, but
$85 is still huge.
yeah,
And we do have a position at 86. Gotta check to see. Okay, so 105 still there on Nvidia, did not print. So that's gonna reprint.
the reason why I decided to put risk back on
Yeah.
that trade is because SPY is at that point where I was expecting it to reverse. Like you see my blue line here,
Mm-hmm.
and like it's just an area for sure, but yeah, I don't know. I don't feel too correct about that. So I know I can probably liquidate PLTR and get a better price, probably.
If I'm looking at the tape on TQQ, wow.
TQQ is a distraction for you, I think.
No,
Because
4650 is huge. Okay, SPY still ain't working correctly, and I'm not liking this. I've got your disease.
híjole.
Okay.
But do you see my charts, for example? And I zoom in, and it's like they look like crap. They just don't come back.
That's
So-
weird.
It's
$85 on deck. Huge, huge,
I seen that.
huge.
Like they look at the.
They're not even printing. Come on now.
Yeah, it's but the SPY is trading above, so I.
Yeah, a position at 85 for SPY.
So this short is very sketchy right now on PLTR, and I have to take a decision, and that decision is probably gonna be to be out of it. Oof. Yeah, it will get me out instead of me getting out of it. Print 85 and gap up. Yeah. Yeah, it got me out.
I got in short. negotiation, but that's
I reshorted too, but data is not working good here. Like I am kind of trading blind because like
Agreed.
charts are really not working. So it's gonna be annoying if they're gonna keep doing that for too long. But
Yeah. Because we need to look at the tape on SPY, and we need to look at the tape on our trading.
yeah, like my charts are literally useless right now. Like I mean, yes, I can see the like I see what price I'm shorting and why, but I don't see the live action. I mean, I don't see how the price is interacting with the levels.
yeah, so your chart squeezed because of the level 2?
No, the software had problem with. I can tell you now what they say. I have an email from them. Like they say they have a problem with the data feed, like the thing that is feeding the data from the exchange. And they say it's coming very slow and all those things. So and yesterday was even more, like worse
Oh,
than
yesterday
yesterday,
was
worse than
crazy.
today, and that's why we canceled the streaming. But like because I thought it was my computer lagging, but it was both of us having trouble with that thing. So yeah, so it's just a matter of like the latest you get because market goes lower is gonna be better, but yeah, we miss the open. I mean, or you miss the quality at the open.
Volatility.
Yeah, so híjole.
Well, I had it on the pullback. I had.
Look at you.
Yeah, we'll see. Since I only take trades after 10, I'm trying to go maybe more aggressive.
Mm.
Yeah, like it had like value to be more aggressive when you feel this okay. Like as I say, I went aggressive on PLTR, like it didn't work, let's say, but like it kind of like now I cannot explain because I have no charts, but like it is my fault because I knew I can get it at a better price, and like now here is working good. That chart is working good. So yeah, here like I got out, I took a loss here, and that was unnecessary. Like I was literally seeing on the tape that I was able to get a better price, and I didn't do it, so mismanaged that one. Like, what is my anticipation here on PLTR is the break of that trend. Like that huge trend it had here is a huge trend. Whenever we break, if ever we break, this can get very juicy. But it will take time because SPY is pumping up. So and that's why I say like it's a calculated risk, though. Yeah, I mismanaged that one, but like once it happened, like it should pay good.
You think it will break the
trend?
VWAP?
Yes, yeah, I think so. But I could be wrong, you know. Like, but I think it will break the VWAP because what I see is like since the open, like there is evidence of selling. Like normally, like let's say even with that big trend up, you can see a 1-2 step at the open, which is like I don't know if they have a name. It's just the way I call it. It's like you know when the stock open and it goes so fast at the open that it's just you walk away from the VWAP, you walk away from everything. But this is not the case. We have a big trend here, and then you have big candle of selling, and that's why I think the trend is not exhausted. It doesn't show signs of exhaustion. But if the index lose it, like if a SPY go down and PLTR get a little bit more of a selling pressure, I think we can really go down. But the problem is buyers are really, really hammering that too. I mean, like it's a good fight. So the only reason I'm betting for the downside is because like, I look at the 60-minute here. When we look at the 60-minute, this is a previous, which I have a memory from this where it didn't work. And it's the same thing, like big resistance level that PLTR is normally good at breaking them for good. But let's see.
Issue is there's a position at the 85.50 and 84.50. That's why we're feeling that battle at 85.
Yeah, and 86 I had one too. 86 had 248 lot. So technically the best price, because we already see the exhaustion, the best price to short is 86. But hey, I never early to the trade. I never get earlier at the trade, so you know. Yeah, that's not looking good for us. But SPY is already moving very sketchy. Oof. 8050. This thing is gonna get me out one more time apparently. Yeah, SPY is on the top. It's moving sideways, but it's impossible for me to know where it's wanting to go right now. Well, impossible. Let's see actually. Let's look at that 5-minute chart. Sorry, PLTR. Yeah, SPY is looking longish. How did we end the day on SPY yesterday? Let's see. Maybe in the 15. Okay.
So what are you looking at, Davey?
I was looking at SPY yesterday, but yeah, PLTR is gonna get me out.
Yeah, got me out. I'm gonna
Got
be
me out too.
retaking it at 86.
Yeah. I'm gonna put it somewhere else I can see it. I'm gonna wait for 86.
Yep.
Got you out, Tusak?
Yep.
Okay, big push from SPY.
I try a little bit of Nvidia there. Let's see, because Nvidia was at the point that it was.
At 105.
Yeah, Nvidia was at the biggest guy. So. Um, So I say no that I feel overly right about this because SPY, look at what SPY is doing. It's just getting higher and higher. So and I'm gonna see if I can put an alert on
86 on deck.
Trey. It's funny when you have such a long time without using a thing, you just forget. Alert and trigger. Okay, tools, alert and trigger. PLTR, last sales. Equal or higher than 86, did we say?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so sound loop to delete, no, auto reset. Okay, this is gonna be a let's see, so show alert. Let's allow sound loop. Okay.
Position of 86 on PLDR is now close to 800.
Cool.
Okay, it will get it now. Nope. So it did not get it by 1 cent. 86.
Yeah, and SPY is making something funny right now.
Mm-hmm. Pulling back from the 525 that it did not get by 1 cent. So big position on SPY at 525, but the 525 on SPY is winding down. $86 on PLTR is staying. The RSIs are curling back, but as Davey says, not below 50.
I hope this problem with the chart goes away soon because like I mean it's driving me nuts. Like I mean
Mm-hmm.
I have no charts to interact with, so annoying.
The offer's being pulled, but the 86 is still there though.
Meet me on the other side.
Acceleration.
Híjole, PLTR should be in play for people that are looking for it about now. Not sure about that, but that's but how do I trust that shit? Is that a real move or not on SPY? Like I mean, is that candle live or not? You know what I mean?
I'm sure too.
It's like what price did you got about?
86 is still there, guys.
85, 97.
Yeah, oh freco, man. You got a good price, my guy. You got a good price.
You're in NVIDIA?
Yeah, I'm Nvidia short, and I do believe on the trade. I just SPY need to do something. Like, come on, my guy, walk away. Like, or get me out and prove me wrong for good, or keep going. I mean, like, go somewhere.
$85 on deck. Is it gonna print this time? 86, I mean.
Look at how that tape is coming fast and furious.
Some of the 86 did print. '86. Pie popping.
Pop it up.
Big position at 86.50 PLTR. $86 on deck. Okay, we got about 200 lots that still needs to print at 86. And here it comes.
Yeah, printing above 86. I saw that.
Mm-hmm.
That might be an easy trade.
400 at 86.5.
Because the volume is negligible before.
Look at the reaction.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and Vlad is saying that she's not hearing us taking partials, so what's up?
That's a call out. I like that. That's because I have no trade.
That's because I have no winner.
That's because my winner is not moving yet. Drop it off 105 on NVDA, 1,000 lot. I like going through there like if there is nothing. So my guy, go down. You wanna go down. It's not because I like shorts. It's because I see you. And it's like,
Well, you do like shorts.
I do like shorts, but the trade shouldn't work because I like shorts. The trade should work because I see we are not able to walk away from there. I mean, like, yes, they did. I shoot too early on PLTR for sure, and that's part of it. But like that 86, like, yeah, that practicing of going heavier and like a little bit bigger and everything is like it has a lot of value for me. But like I have to say, like,
Uncomfortable.
no, I tried it twice and it didn't work, and that put me good red. So, but we will see. Like, I mean, it's red that I can recuperate for sure right now, but like, it's
PLTR.
Zach is printing.
do we ring the bell for you, or you didn't took partials yet?
Yes.
Okay.
85.
Like, to be honest, like, you hear those things and you kind of don't know, but like having a trader, a floor manager, like somebody that makes sure that you follow your thing.
Mm-hmm.
I see the value more and more. I see the value of this. Like, I mean, it's like I will be on the back of those traders and say, like, what the heck are you doing? You know?
Absolutely.
But
I
this-
agree with you.
it's not gonna be pleasant, but it's like, yeah. The problem in there is that you have to train that person, and like you have to be really uh, know what you are like. What is your system? Like I mean, the day I become the most disciplined guy in trading, my training is the day we're gonna be millionaires. But like, it's discipline is harder than what we expect, especially
Absolutely.
uh, for people like with very colorful personalities. No good. It's good, but it's just like it's not easy. Man, if you got that PLTR and you start advancing, like you have a target for your partial,
85.
85.
85. Okay.
85 I'm taking up, then I'm aiming for VWAP if it breaks.
Okay.
With stop loss at break even.
Okay, patron.
I have a bit more share than like I added again,
Mm-hmm.
so it's gonna be paying good.
Nice. Like I don't know if it's because that chart is squeezed, but I am seeing all the indicators. Yeah, it's the chart. That chart is wrong. Like the indicators are very close on SPY, but it is not that close, so it's just that chart.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry.
Uh-oh.
That happened like the fourth time.
Hmm?
So, I've been joining a little bit. Meet me on the other side.
I need a break.
Okay, so we're gonna take a little break.
Not that much. I know in Gatineau it snowed today. It's like getting hot and then boom, snow. Hmm. Yeah, it's crazy. Here, I think it's gonna snow soon. Like it's always late from you. No, it's one feeling like -9. That's bad. But in 1 week, let's say it's gonna be just like you, like 14, 12, things like that. Yeah, but next week you got it again, based on them. Now you getting 14, we get like 12. But it's windy here like a lot. Like you walk and you almost go sideways with the wind. So how is it going? Mm. So it's dust. People want you to stop making money while it's volatile. Hmm. Yesterday, man, it was crazy. Like I was at school watching the Spy. Ooh la la. No, but like watching Spy every like 20 minutes or something. Spy, Spy was down like 4%, I think. I checked like 30 minutes later and it's up like 5. I'm like, what? That was the fake news pop. But it was like 4% in 30 minutes up. Yeah, you might like put it down to buy some things and then because right now he say like if he say like that the tariffs are gone, that the market will rally. Uh, you mean that it's only temporarily push? That's good. Thank you. You know you're not online yet? Yeah. It's all good.
All right, we are back. Oh my goodness.
I did a low push up, but
Yeah.
Spy didn't. Just guard did, but Spy didn't.
Is PLTR for real breaking now, or that chart is fucked up too? Let's see. Oh yeah, it is breaking through. Marie, I will be so quiet in that PLTR short. But I see you liquidated.
Oh, I'm still in there. But yeah, it got me out.
I took half. Like a quarter at
Nice.
85.
Talk.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
Saki.
Okay.
Saki do.
So now we've got Spy that's interacting with the VWAP.
This,
LTR is stronger than Spy.
yeah, for sure, by a lot.
I'm scared. Spy reverse. If you will.
Like for me, the fact that PLTR broke the trend toward the downside, I think it will have a hard time going back up above there. Like it might be too sideways. It may do sideways move or down, and you have the best price you can get pretty much. Don't you have like 85.97 something like that?
Yeah, I had that. I had it. So I have 85.80.
Yeah. To be honest, I will be breaking even on that trade.
I took like a half
Hmm.
at 85 and 84.70.
Nice.
That's my guy.
Okay, yes, to give up. We'll see.
So Spy seems to be crossing through VWAP, though I don't have a correct chart. We will see.
Yeah, it's
Wow, your throat is really bugging you, right?
yeah, but I don't know what happened today. Like I mean, it was just a today thing. So
Did you go outside without a coat this morning?
no, I was okay. I had something.
Not a winter one, though. Right?
Not a winter
No,
one.
of course not. It's not winter. We're actually spring now, so doesn't look like it.
VWAP test for a spy.
Overnight VWAP test for PLTR.
by breaking view up.
Yeah, that's how yeah. This train clearly doing that move there. And yeah, there comes a higher volume in the third candle. Yeah, this may puke even more. What do I need to check? I need to check NVDA because it's the trade I have. Yeah, it's still trying to hold that trend there, and
Did you put your summer tire on?
no, and yesterday, no, this morning I was saying, oof, I was so lucky because I was about to put it last weekend,
Yeah.
and yeah, it's like in the street, it's a lot of snow, so I mean,
I have my summer tires.
you,
You do?
Yeah, it was pretty much fun this morning. I enjoyed it. It's not a long ride, but it was enough for me to do a couple of skids.
yeah,
So that was enjoyable.
nice.
But usually, like the last 3 years almost, I think 3 years, after the 15th of March, I got my Scion out without problem. With the summer tire. So this year it's pretty.
Extended.
Mhm.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's crazy.
I'll take everything at GWAP.
Perfecto.
If you get it.
That's on PLTR, right? Yeah.
Correct.
Spice on its way down, or this chart is frozen.
No, it's on its way down. It's 519.65 now.
Thank
Yeah, nice.
Oh, and did you 11 hours?
Yeah, I'm gonna be taking some of that very soon.
Yeah.
That's probably
Otherwise,
why
you'll sleep on
Blairy
the couch.
says.
Okay.
That's why Blairy says that.
Yeah,
I don't
know,
see a lot of profit, and there's a big R there.
I want you to sleep on the couch tonight. It's partial.
I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that.
What? Sleeping on the couch, or not taking personal?
Both. But no, I will take partial. So. Wow, PLTR is super slow.
Very.
VIX have came down like a lot. Like I was at 40 something, I think 40 when we opened, or I don't remember how was it like. But now it's at 37, 38. So
Spy still coming down.
oh my goodness.
lots of blue tape there.
Yeah, I see that. I'm breaking even in this trade. So I know it sounds like an understatement, but
Yeah, it's called Captain Obvious on that one. You should have done that. Yes. That's a very good call. So Spy's still pulling.
Take partial, my guy.
I love the voice. I love the voice. Beautiful, Zach. Continue. He might listen to you.
okay.
Yeah,
Go,
it's
Zach,
gonna
go.
be surprise voice.
Go, Zach, go.
You'll never know when the voice is gonna come.
Okay, I'm gonna get it out of my hand. So I have a partial. I'm gonna put an order to take partial.
I got out. Yes. 5 hour trade.
Woo!
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Jana.
Good job, Zach.
Okay, I have the order to take partial. You still have PLTR.
I actually took 2 partials, so I'll just take one now.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Come on, my guys. Look at that tape flushing through. Por un caminito yo te fui a buscar, muy lejos caminé y al fin yo te encontré. Por un caminito yo te fui a buscar, muy lejos caminé y al fin yo te encontré. Hoy me siento muy feliz porque estoy junto a ti. Nunca tú me olvides, eres para mí.
Bravo, bravo.
Por un caminito yo te veo. Muy lejos caminé y al fin yo te encontré. Spice bounce, but it's about to make a lower low. So watch out for that. Very dangerous the way that Spy is approaching the low. It's the low of the day after the opening. So it doesn't look like if he wants to bounce from there. So, oh my goodness. This is just gonna go down. Remember that we called out that we had a big size at 115.07. Noches de fantasías. That's a big bounce.
That's a huge bounce.
You know a failure I did today,
Yeah.
and I like that's it's very visible right now that like the pre-market action, it was between 98, 99. Basically, we can say 99 to 102. So it was very narrowing. It got up little by little, but yeah, we could be like, if I look at it, I think if we will be looking at the pre-market action today, I think we will have enough data to say that, you know what, we were really rangy sideways there. I mean, like, SPY was looking different, I would say. Like, no, not even SPY. Like, it's
Well,
climbing up little by little, but not with a lot of momentum. Look at the BDA. It's like climbing little by little, but then sideways a lot. And then a little push here. That's the one I was calling out. And now trying to go even higher again. And yeah.
Didn't take partial, my guy. Oh.
It's okay, my guy. It's okay. No panic. No panic.
12 hours.
I will be doing that, my guy. Don't worry. So, but yeah, it's like the pre-market was very rangy, as I say. Like, I mean, unfortunately, I didn't pay enough attention to it. I could be wrong, but I think that like, yeah, what is this? Well, today SPY is 2.8% up yet. I mean, like, yeah, good for them. I think I'm okay holding this. So I probably am gonna hold this trade for the rest of the day.
no.
Yes. That have been paying well the the idea. So though, like, I mean, yeah. Though before I leave, let's say, like, I'm gonna try to have some news feed, because like I don't know what is going on there. Like, I mean, I don't know if Trump has say anything, if China has say anything. I don't know if,
Let me look.
yeah, I'm trying to look. Let's see.
I will need to find an app or something that give the news faster than Yahoo Finance.
Oh, I know which app is that. It's just like, it's called Vanzinga.
Then think that.
Yeah, they is warranty that you have the news with them before than anybody else.
Okay.
So it's just like, I say to Maria, at some point we want to have that, but I haven't done the even any research to see how much it costs or anything. But yeah, it's for sure the fastest way.
It's for sure.
Yeah, but like, I think you have a free profile with them, so
So there's a news saying Trump is waiting for China to call as negotiations.
yeah, and China is gonna call him for sure.
I think it's a much bigger problem than tariffs.
Yeah, of course it is, my guy. Of
It's just
course
the
it
start.
is. But like, what do you say? Sorry, I interrupt you. But yeah, it's like that's the book face. I don't know how you call that in English, but
We call it the tip of the iceberg.
yeah, it's like it's the distraction that is out there. That's the distraction that is out there.
What I mean is, it's not just about Trump. Like the markets were so overpriced. Like we were in a bubble. That's basically it.
Yeah, but like, because I don't know if you know, like, like, when we print more money,
Mhm.
the size of the bubble technically get reduced.
Mhm.
So I don't know if you hear like Donald Trump in Twitter the other day say, well, on X, whatever you want to call it, he said that to J. Powell to stop playing politic and to lower the rate.
Yep,
So
I saw that.
and like that's what he want Powell to do. But what happened is that something that like there is two main reasons why we cut rates. One is because inflation is under control and we don't need to have such a high rate. And the other is because of fear of recession. There are other reasons why we cut rates, but those are the main ones that that matter right now. So if we cut rates because the inflation is coming under control, markets would the economy in general should be able to get stronger and stronger. But if we cut inflation because we have like let's say JP Morgan was the one that put like 60% probability of having a recession,
Correct.
but let's say that the Fed now believe that we are heading into a recession and they cut interest rate, that will communicate so much fear in the market that the lows that we have seen here is nothing, and people are talking about tariff. So Trump is using the tariff to pressure the Fed and to pressure the Fed to lower interest and to pressure the world to negotiate with him. The biggest fishes of the world are not willing to negotiate unless it's a fair deal. Like the European Union offered him 0 to 0 tariff and he say no. So
Agree.
is he wanting to really negotiate? I don't think so. So and China is the biggest advantage position, let's say, because like at the same time, like who do you think that is a holder of all the bonds that they emit from the treasury? Like I mean, a big chunk of that is China, of course. Like, but that's what
But
I mean.
does he even know that?
I guess he
Does Ludwig even know that?
I guess that somebody will tell him that. But that's what I mean. Like, China is gonna say, "Oh, yeah, like we got you." Like that's
playing
that's
poker
what
with
I
the
say.
world.
Like China is such in a privileged position of saying, "When you want, we solve this. You want to solve it, you drop it, I drop it. You drop it, I drop it." But not like I smack you and then let's negotiate. No. You smack me, I smack you back. We are.
No, you're not supposed to smack back because he's the biggest customer.
Oh yeah, for sure.
You don't smack a customer.
Like and you see
That
how
was so
people are in the
ridiculous
street
when
now.
I heard that.
So I think he have too many front open that he won't be able to efficiently manage that. And that's why I say, like, I mean, there is a light at the end of the tunnel, but do I think that we are already there? And who am I? Like, I don't have any title of in economy or anything. I just have read whatever is available there. But it's the same thing. We are not there yet, my guy. Just like you are being a bully, and people are saying, no, we don't want you to bully us, and we are not accepting that. So it's like, yeah. And like,
But like,
and on top of that, the thing that you say that is totally right. I think you are dead on. Like, is the market overpriced for the conditions we have? Damn it, yes. Like how we priced seven or 7 to 8 interest rate cut was already priced in the market, and now we are just discounting all that because we may get maybe one.
I think it's 4 now.
It's 4 now. Well,
Yeah.
then you see. So,
More than that, like the Magnificent Seven,
mm-hmm.
traded at crazy PE ratios,
Yeah,
and because SPY is a weighted index ETF,
yeah.
like the Magnificent Seven counted for like 60% of SPY. I don't know if you know, like SPY.
Yeah, it's overweighted, don't think. So for anybody that want me to take partial, there we go. That's my partial. It's gonna discount right there, 10 cents below, just 10 more cents. And I'm gonna try to hold the rest for whatever it wants to do. I am breaking even on that trade.
Are you taking off or?
I'm taking half, yeah. Come on, my guy, come on, go for it. I have an order. It's a specific price. That's why I didn't want to front run it. Buy the penny. Okay, there we go. I got it.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Oh, I don't know which one is better. To do what I did, to take partial quick, or
No, my guy, to take partial quick is faster. That for you to have an idea, with that I pay half of my losses. Half of my losses only. If I get everything out right there, I will be flat to green by a little bit. And the only reason why I was holding it was I calculated that we can go lower, but I have the clear evidence of the last couple of weeks that taking partial is the best. What happened is that when I went in PLTR, I went PLTR twice here with double of my size. I took 2 big losses in there. So, and I am just paying back for them. So, if he had any value, whatever I say is just like, yeah, taking partial is the best. You guys have your profit, you have no stress about it. If I am wrong, I will be red for the day.
I should have kept a bit.
Yeah, to keep a bit for the dream, yeah, for sure.
Like my last out at VWAP. Yes, it bounced, but it came back.
Like, yeah, I really regret switching on that one. When I flipped to not take partials, that was a mistake.
I want to start soon investing in S&P 500
Mm-hmm.
along the way, let's say.
Nice.
Because it's hard to predict the bottom. So you just invest all the way and
Well, technically, like, even the people that bought it at the 10% correction, they're gonna be okay. Like, and to be honest, this is something I learned like very recent. That like most of the biggest fishes in there, they don't get the bottom by the penny. Like, I mean, it's just a region, and they start
Yeah,
loading
they-
up in there. They buy a little bit today, a little bit tomorrow, and as they see the market reacting, they just add. So
you know what I saw too? Like I did a program that every time that the stochastic on SPY was going under like 50,
mhm.
it was buying every week. Plus, it was buying when it gets below 30.
Okay.
It was buying all the week that it was above 50. So it counts all the week. Like you put 100 a week on the side.
Mm-hmm.
All the week that you didn't enter, it counted it. Then enter all the position below 30.
Like way.
I did a program like that. And it was outperformed by the program that was doing just every week.
Very nice. That was with TradingView.
Yeah. So like one program was investing every week since 2009, I think.
Mm-hmm.
2001, so it's 180 1983. Since 1983. If you invest every week, it would outperform investing in the bottoms.
Like when?
Like, I think it's because between the bottoms, there's a big rally, and the bottom are not low enough to compensate for that. That's what I said.
You always have something.
Super.
Yeah, very nice, my guy. Very nice.
Yeah. But yeah, like, my head is still saying like, why do I invest if it's overpriced? You know? Like, why don't I keep the money and invest when it's lower?
Well, I guess like there is a line in there, like where it is not true anymore.
Like if in 2023, I was like saying that too. But you see the rally now, the dip won't be like, might not be lower than the 2023 market.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it was expensive, but even the dip now is equally expensive.
Yeah. So I add to the short on NVDA one more time. Still breaking even on that trade. The reason why I add to the short is because look at SPY. It's the bottom of SPY for the opening was right there, 517, and we break through like if there is nothing. So Nvidia is hogging that part in there for a little bit, like this is here, so Nvidia is here while SPY is right here, let's say. So I'm just trying, like, I think before going to the VWAP, we're gonna be going a little bit lower. Probably I don't count with going to $100, but I think it's lower. Yes, I think we can go lower. So as I say, breaking even on that trade. My average right now is 103, 103.96. So and yeah. Like probably I will be impressed if SPY managed to trade above 118, 518, sorry, 518. Not saying that it couldn't do it, but there seems to be more momentum toward the downside than whatever was in there on top toward the upside, and we have to take in consideration that it's 1120. So if with the higher volume that we had, we were not doing much on the top here. In the bottom here, we can, like, it's not the blue line, as I say, it's 518, but we did across 518 like nothing. We are kind of, yes, we bounced from the 515 as I call it out, but yeah, that might be the only reason why we bounced, because we had a big order there. So let's see if we re-enter into the 518 and yeah.
Well, guys, I'm gonna go.
Okay, so green day for you, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
Very nice.
Like, I lost 1.5 hours trying to get in, and one was a bit dumb. Like, I got impatient and I got the wrong price. So that's the half hour. Then I got the good price. Then did like 5.5 hours.
Very nice.
I think it's the way to wait at 10.
Yeah.
I remember it was working, then I got confident, and I started trading the money.
Yeah, like as I say for your question, if ever you have any value, and I have, like, I am talking with other people too about that thing, and it's like they say the same. partialing is longer because you last longer per trade, but it pays better for sure. So
What do you mean longer?
yeah, because like you see in your case how you got all out pretty much. Like let's say like that's not the most efficient, let's say, but it's still good because you are keeping your profit. But like let's say PLTR here, if we look at the 2 minutes, like let's say you partial at the VWAP, when it does that call like that curl here, you will be looking to add, and you will be looking to add for you to be taking another partial below here, but you are still in the position. So once it does it again, you will be looking to add around here, and then the same rinse and repeat. So you are never out of the trade. So you will be like, I have taken some trades like that I have been holding for the whole streaming, because it's like, but those are like it's based on tape reading. You may have like let's say in this PLTR it's very obvious. Like I don't know why we show up 3 bars here, but what I'm saying here, like if the chart is not lagging, let's say, like you got the good price, VWAP first partial, whatever you remove at the VWAP, you add it here, and then your average is still above here. Then you will be lasting like a longer time in the market, but you are literally making more because you are just everything is going to your like. I can tell that my biggest days have been doing that.
Yeah, I know Paris is doing that too.
Yeah, exactly.
Everywhere else.
So
Like his last chunk always gets step out. That's why I saw.
exactly, like your last chunk is a step out at break even, and
Or at profit if it.
yeah, if it's at a technical point that you know. But yeah, for sure. So
I'll have to start doing that. But
it's kind of what I did with Nvidia, but I did it wrong. Like let's say I added blindly here because I was having a good price. So, but like that add, I should do it here. But the trade is still the same trade from here. Is the same trade. Like now at that 102, I should be taking partial, and once it repeat, I have to do the same exercise, back and forth.
And also, like it's good because with my range, it's exactly the range.
Yeah, you have a clear point where you want to do it. Yeah.
Like today, respected very well. Like, the VWAP was the start of one of my range.
Mhm.
Then I took everything, but it bounced back to the one below, above. I mean, the one above.
Very nice.
I should have had back down. Then it broke the range, went to the other range, so I should have taken profit. Went to the range above, go back in. So yeah.
So cool.
Work on that, but I think after 10 it's really a continuation.
Yeah. Yeah.
I like it, and it works well in my strategy.
Very nice.
I have to go do homework a bit. A lot, as always. But,
Good job trading.
you two guys, you two are JV, you are red, but
Yeah, I am
Yeah.
as well.
you are.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna be green at the end of the day. Don't worry.
Okay, believe you.
Yeah, I will. You will see.
So I'll be there tomorrow.
Perfect. We're gonna be here. Just watch out. Like at some point, I think it's after next month probably. But at some point, like I have a note on Skype saying that Skype
Yeah.
won't exist at some point. So just watch out for
Amazing.
that. But whenever it happens, we just switch to Discord. Cool.
And I'll have after school, like maybe like I'll trade for like 2 weeks. After that, it's my finals. I don't trade. After that, I have a month. So it'll be fun.
Nice.
I'm gonna be there every day. A month of vacation.
Yeah, we play some pickleball.
Yeah. Oh, see you tomorrow.
See you
See
then.
you tomorrow.
Have
Bye.
fun, my guy.
Take another break, but we only have 2 minutes, so.
Yeah, we just can wrap it up and. Hello.
So did you want to wrap it up?
Yeah, let's do this. So, yeah, basically, as always, like I mean, I am working on this as hard as I can, but like as I say, to be very disciplined in trading is yeah, it's the hardest job I find. I mean, to be done. That's just an excuse for sure. Like I know that many of you guys are gonna be able to be very disciplined, but like it's not bad. Like I mean, I didn't mess it up that bad today. I mean, like I kind of I'm okay. Like I am green technically if I take all the profits by there. So, but what I'm saying here, like I short and I got out. Let's correct that. So I say 3 shots at the open. That's what I'm allowed to do. So this is 1 shot. This is another shot, and this is the other. So those are the 3 shots. So that is inside my rules. Then I say, you know what? I'm gonna give it another one. So I give another shot here, and I partial here. That was good too. I mean, that was okay. Though, so that's kind of a little bit out of the rules. So when I got partial here, then I add to the short again, and then I say, you know what? Like I'm gonna be breaking even. And when I say I'm gonna be breaking even, my stop loss, original stop loss was around there at break even, and I say, why I wanna be breaking even if I am so correct? I mean, but then I knew that I could get a better price, so. And I got a big loss here. This was too big for no reason, because that was double of my size, and this other was double of my size. So those are 2 big losses that put me red for good, and that was the no good trades. Those were the 2 that I said, you know what, like I know you got some profit from yesterday, but maybe like not today for you to double up into the positions. So as I say, like I'm still like in PLTR I am red for good in general, but then I switched to NVDA. So and in Nvidia it's the same trade. I haven't done anything, so it's the same trade. So I shorted here. And then I say, like, this is my regular size. Then I say, I'm gonna short it again. Like, I add to the short, so like this is bigger than my usual size. So not double, but it's bigger. So then I say, I think it's gonna go down. So I partial here, and then I add again here, and it's the same trade I have. So I should be taking a partial there, but I didn't do it for I don't know which reason. So I have to. Do it soon, then see if I want to add more. Like for sure, the reason why I didn't do it, I was talking, but more than that I was talking, SPY is really going down for now. So I think I'm just gonna take the partial there very soon, hold the rest for whatever it wants to do, and let's do that. Marie, do you want to say anything?
No, I gotta really take a break.
Okay, so I hope everybody have a good day. That's everything for today, and yeah. See you then. Yeah, I have to go and prepare my lunch.